Hey everyone, this is going to be a very short video on how to do in-text citations according to the 7th edition APA rules. Now I'll link some resources below for more in-depth instructions on how actually to do these, but in case you're wondering just how to do the in-text citations portion, if you are needing to cite something in a paper, this is the video for you. Many science papers and science courses are going to require you to use APA instead of Chicago or MLA style or any other citation style, but check with your teacher or professor to see what they're requiring of you to make sure you're using the correct citation style. Make sure to not only use in-text citations, but also reference list at the end. Alright, so you're ready to create your in-text citation. Make sure you use the author name of your source, then a comma, then the year it was published. Put those in parentheses and you're good to go. Make sure you put this at the end of a sentence, but before the period. That's very important. So state a fact, something you got from a source, and then make sure you put the author name, comma, and then the year. Here's what that citation would look like at the end of the sentence. Now, this is only with one author. What happens when we introduce more than one author? With two authors, you will introduce both last names of the two authors, then the comma, then the year it was published, end your parentheses, and add a period. It's not too hard. Now remember, this is for when you're citing information that you got from another source. If you want to use a direct quote, it's a very similar setup, except you want to add the page number or the location you got it from. So here we are, same source, but we're using a direct quote this time. Researchers also found that kudzu could be beneficial for non-herbivore species such as poultry. And then we're citing the authors, the year, comma, P for the page number and the page number we got it from. Now, if it's a series of pages, you'll put PP, and I'll show you a link in the description for how to exactly format that if you're using a direct quote. All right, let's talk through author numbers. This is with one author. This is with two authors, use the and for three or more authors, you're going to use the et al here in the in-text citation, but remember to list all the authors' names in the actual reference at the end of your paper. Now, for a source that does not have an actual author name, a person or several people, but it's from a government organization or a commonly known entity, you can cite that organization as the author. If it doesn't have one of these, you can always cite the source title, and specific instructions for that are also going to be in the links I provide below. Well, that's it. That's the short and sweet version of how to do in-text citations for APA. Make sure you remember author, comma, year, and you'll be set in most cases. Please reference the description for more links and guidance on how to do this, and good luck. Happy writing!